Cordial greetings. Welcome to the video tutorial with Sofia Barros. This is a video tutorial where I will choose 3 consonant symbols of the IPA alphabet. Let's continue. The 3 consonant sounds that I have chosen to explain about the articulators and ways of articulating these consonants in the vocal tract in order to emit the sound R. Symbol number 1, the symbol number 2, and the symbol number 3. Let's continue. The articulators involved in its reproduction are the place of articulation is labiodental. The manner of articulation is fricative. The sound is voiceless. Okay, the upper teeth on the lower lip being inactive articulator. This sound is voiceless because the vocal cord don't vibrate during its production. In order to make the sound all that is required is to rest your front teeth lightly on your lip and blow. For example, look at me. Okay, air in your lip and blow. This sound is a voiceless too because you are simply pressing air through your mouth. You don't need to vibrate your vocal cords. Don't need the vocal cord at all. Okay, let's continue. It is important sounds that sound without a voice because there is no vibration here in the vocal cords. Again, the exercise, you can't feel anything here. Okay, now I'm going to see the use of this symbol is a sentence. We are half a sentence with the pronunciation according to the IPA alphabet. Okay, exercise to apply sound sentence. The child buys 5 toys and his play is a lot of fun. Okay, the word 5 and the word fun. 5, 5, 5, fun. Okay, again. The child buys 5 toys and he plays a lot of fun. The child buys 5 toys and his play is a lot of fun. Okay, let's continue. Other exercise the tongue twister. We can all pronounce 4 furious friends fought for the phone. 4 furious friends fought for the phone. Okay, and play on words. Exercise number 2. Playing on words. Fine. For. Fire. Okay? Again, repeat with me or repeat after me. For you use friends, fought for the phone. For your friends fought for the phone. Okay, very good. A play on words. Fine, fine. Number 2, for. Number 3, fire, fire. Okay, yeah, very good. Let's continue. The second symbol is articulated. Second symbol is articulated like a previous one in the dental area because the air is forced between the tongue, and the upper front teeth, creating friction by forcing in the between the teeth and the tip of tongue. For example, okay, think, bath. The place of the articulation is dental. Articulation is dental. The manner of articulation is fricative. The sound is voiceless. The imagine, Q, tongue, okay. And number 2, teeth, upper teeth, tongue, tip. Es the manner of articulation. Okay, let's continue. It is important now you can touch at the back of the upper teeth with the tip of your tongue. Okay, breathe out while moving your tongue sharply downward and let air flow past your tongue and out of your mouth. Your vocal cord should not vibrate. Okay. Now the exercise to apply sound sentences. I thank you for the thing you've done. I thank you for the thing you've done. Okay, the exercise. The exercise number 2. Other exercise we can all pronounce a tongue twister. Okay, Elizabeth's birthday is on the 3rd Thursday of this month. Elizabeth's birthday is on the 3rd Thursday of this month. Okay, the exercise number 2. Play on words. Think. Bath. Thin. Again, a place on words. Think. Bath. Thin. Very good. Okay, let's continue. The three symbol it is look at me. The place of the articulation is alveolar. Okay, the manner of articulation is lateral. And the sound is voice. It's different and the other symbols, 1, 2, is different. The other symbols is alveolar, the manner articulation lateral, and the sound is voice. It's the light L. The back of the tongue is a more forward position. In the dark, the back of the tongue is further back in the mouth. The O is usually a voice. It's voice. If you feel, is the feel vibration the sounds. For example, oh, lights, oh, lights, like. Okay. Oh, let's continue. Now exercise to apply some sentences. I like that kind of lights in my room. I like the kind of lights in my room. I like that kind of lights in my room. Okay, let's continue in the exercise. After the exercise, we can pronounce a tongue twister. A tongue twister. I rarely like running down the hill. I rarely like running down the hill. Okay, the play on words. Love, love, like, like, lake, lake. It's very important now your tongue and out of your mouth, your vocal cords shown in vibrate. And vibrate, and vibrate, okay? And vibrate. Is voices, is voices. Repeat again the play on words. Love, 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 like, like, lake, lake. Okay, thank you very much. We finished the video tutorial. See you later. So long.